How to view barcode number on Seatgeek. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC. And then in the search bar, simply search for seatgeek.com. Once you search for it, go ahead and log into your account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and navigate to the tickets section to find the events. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on the specific event for which you would like to view the barcode. And after that, the barcode will be displayed on the ticket details page. If you don't see the barcode, you can go ahead and check if it's a mobile-only ticket. Some venues require mobile tickets to be displayed on the day of the event. Also, wait until closer to the event. Some venues delay releasing barcodes to prevent fraud, and then consider adding to your digital wallet. You can simply add your ticket to Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, which may display the barcode. And that is how you can view your barcode number on Seatgeek. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.